How to fix Lorex app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your application is not working, firstly you need to check for the Wi-Fi connectivity. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can enable your cellular data or your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn your airplane mode off. After which you have to connect with a better network or a cellular data. This should solve your problem. If it still persists, there might be a glitch or a bug issue. Now to solve it, launch your phone settings. Over here you will find all of these options. Navigate to apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Lorex. Then you need to click on the force stop button, head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. After which the bug or the glitch issue must be solved. If still the issue does not solve, you need to check for an update. You can launch your Play Store or App Store and the search bar search for Lorex. In here, make sure that your application is up to date. If there is any of the update button, leave it for an update and relaunch it. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.